Hello, everybody. Um, I saw a great question. Great question. I've only seen it like 3 times. People have, but this is the first time that somebody actually posts the question on the Brain Directory Support and Help group, which is how in the world do I rearrange the post types? Post type. So several ways. If you are a developer, you can do this through PHP. You can do this through MySQL. You can do this through JavaScript with a lot of patience. Or if you're the actual owner of the site and you don't know how to develop anything, then it's quicker because what you do is the following. Okay. You go to my content, edit post settings, and I'm gonna leave this open here. Okay, so we can see the order. So we got community articles, SoundClouds, etc., etc., etc. And what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna go to the feature that you want to sort or the features that you want to sort. These are features. And let's say that we want to move community articles so like somewhere in there, like below job listings, maybe above or something. So let's go to community articles and we're gonna click on profile page design. Profile page because we're on the members profile page or the dashboard. Okay. And we see here profile page tab order. This affects um, the order in which it shows on the public profile of the member, but also on that sidebar. So let's click there. And here's the community article that we selected. We're gonna put it like somewhere in there. I want to save it. And do know that there's some empty spaces, so you can sort them all out. Refresh, and there we go. Now we got community articles down there. Okay. Let's move coupons or something, just in case you have this many empty ones also, because of the ones are on the same position. So community articles and discussion are on the same position. We come here, we see, well, let me refresh here. Refresh here. Okay. There we go. Okay, so we got jobs listing and community article in the same position. We got coupons and website blog articles on 7. So coupons and website blog articles. But let's say that you want this one on top of it. That's where you start moving them all around. So like you move video down here, property down here, product, etc. and all that. Okay. There is a plugin that's being created so you can sort this out quicker. Just drag and drop, like start moving them all around instead of going one feature at a time. But anyway, at least you now know how to do it for all the features. Okay, so I'm gonna repeat again, and let's do video. Maybe your site is all about video, and you want video to be one of the first ones. So you want to put well, we got reviews there, just in case reviews is up here. So we want to put it like down here somewhere. Um, so let's just say that you want to put it there. Save that. Again, do note that it's not refreshing the position here. It's not being refreshed. So if I click here, it's still saying that I'm 13 down there. I'm gonna refresh, and now it's properly showing there. So there you go. So you got videos there, and okay, yeah, sound and videos, and because my site is about this and that, blah blah blah. Okay, so hope that helps. Big hugs to everybody, and think positive.